Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see the preparation of capsicum rice, one of the easiest yet tasty lunch recipe. But before we see that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that and please enable the bell button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay, now let's see the preparation and the ingredients that is needed to make this capsicum rice. First of all, I have taken 2 cups of cooked basmati rice. This is the long grain rice that I have taken here. This is cooked without salt. 2 cups of cooked rice. Next, I have taken half of a big sized capsicum chopped into cubes, finely chopped basically. So this would come about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Next, I have taken a small onion, again chopped finely. The whole spices that we would require is 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, 1 small bay leaf and a very small piece of cinnamon. These are the whole spices that we require. Next, I've taken half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of mustard. This is for seasoning. The powders that I have taken here is chili powder, garam masala and turmeric powder, all 3 half a teaspoon each. Now onto a pan, you add a teaspoon of ghee. You can replace this with butter also, but I have taken a teaspoon of ghee and I've added the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds first. So after a minute, you will add the whole spices and saute for a few seconds. So once this is done, you will get a nice aroma. Now to this, we are going to add the chopped onions and saute for a while. You do not have to saute the onions well, because the onions can have little bit of crunchiness to it that adds on to the taste of your capsicum rice. So saute only for a few seconds, and then we are going to add the chopped capsicum. The same way, the capsicum can also have a little bit of crunchiness to it, which will add on to the taste of your capsicum rice. So saute this really on a low flame for about a minute, not more than a minute. So once this is done, we will add the powders that we have taken: chili powder, garam masala and turmeric powder. You can adjust the powders according to your taste, but I think for 2 cups of rice, a half a teaspoon of each powders will do. Now since the rice is cooked without salt, you have to add salt at this stage. If the cooked rice has salt, please make sure that you don't add more salt. Now this is cooked. I have sauteed this really well. Everything is added. We will add the rice now. So mix it really well. Make sure that you don't break the rice. Gently you have to mix the rice with the vegetables. Make sure that you keep the flame low so that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So once this is mixed really well, one last step would be keeping the rice on a high flame for a minute. So it adds on to the taste of your capsicum rice. That's it. Our capsicum rice is ready. You can serve this with whatever is available at home, any gravy, any curry that is available at home, or you could even just have the rice with papad. So here I have taken an egg bullseye to add on to the taste. That's it. The rice is ready. I'm sure once you try this, you will like it. This is so easy to make, yet very tasty. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.